Today, in this video, we saved someone's life and also we made a water slide for these cars. So we are going to have a lot of fun.
Yeah,
But as
boy.
you can see here, we need some soil. So we will bring it first. Let's go. Let's start with this green excavator. Let's drive it through the soil area. It's amazing how beautiful it is. Look
Yeah,
at
boy.
this. Wow. Yay. Okay. So now it's time for the truck. Let's drive him there. Go. Yay. The truck has been arrived. Amazing. Okay, let me park it right. Yo, it's nice. Now let's fill it with soil. And we will do it with this green excavator. Amazing. And here it goes. One. Woo. And two. I will talk to you after this fill. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Okay.
So the truck is almost full. But look at this. Oh no. We must take him to a secure place. Because this is working area. So let's go. We need to help him. He deserves to live. Let's bring that blue excavator first because he will help him. Let's go.
Yeah,
Okay,
boy.
so let me first take him, and here I take him. Now let's carry it to a secure place. Let's go far from this working area. Okay, the road is not right, but we will still go because it's necessary. Let's go. This is so rough area I am going through. Okay, slowly. So, little buddy, you stay here. I'm gonna dig you some hole for you. Let's do it first. Okay. Now it's time. So let's take him and slowly, easily. Yay! Amazing. Good job, Blue Excavator. And he is happy now. Wow! Now let's park back this Blue Excavator in its place. Let's go. Go. This is really a very rough area for this Blue Excavator. But he helped someone very well. Good job, Blue Excavator. And stay back. Stay here in your area. Amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's complete this work. And it almost filled up soil. But we need a lot of soil because this is for the water slide. And we will make that road perfect for the cars to climb up. Let's go. So let's go. Oh, we lost some of the soil, but that's okay. We have a lot of soil. And yeah, let's throw some here. Good job.
Yeah, boy.
Good job, green truck. Now let's get back to the green excavator because we need some more soil here. So let's first fill it with this soil. Let's go. So it's time to carry it to that climbing
Yeah,
area
boy.
because the car won't climb up to the water slide. So let's go. Amazing. Good job, green truck. Very good job. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, this is very tough. Oh, okay, finally. Climb up. We need here a bulldozer too because this needs to plane like a road. Okay. Good job. Thank you. Now you can go and park here. Okay. Bulldozer, we need that area like a planned
Yeah,
road.
boy.
Please help us out. And here I come. Good job. As you can see, it's perfect now. Wow. Now this area, let me plane it and carry some to this side. Amazing.
Yeah,
Good
boy.
job. Yellow bulldozer. Thank you so much. He helped us a lot, as you can see. Good park here. Thank you. Okay, so let's take some soil with this green excavator here, because the car won't slide perfectly if we didn't do it. So let's do it with this green excavator. I can do it with the truck, but I won't. I will do it with this green excavator. Amazing.
Okay.
Let's go. And as you can see, he's very angry. And also, he is very excited for the water slide. Wow. And he is doing it very quickly. Good job, green excavator. Let's make this water slide as quick as you can. Oh, it took a lot of soil in his plate. Amazing how he is doing
Yeah,
it.
boy.
Check it out. Wow. And the road is ready. As you can see, now we need some water. And after that, where we slide. But let's first test it with this blue car. If we need some more work on it, we will do it. Let's go. And as you can see, it's not right. We will make it right. Just wait. Yellow bulldozer, come here and plane it perfectly, please. He's doing it very well, as you can see. Amazing job, yellow bulldozer. Thank you so much. Now let's try it again with this car. And as you can see, it's amazing now. Now let's fill it full with water. Okay, and here we go. We bring water here. Amazing. Wow. Now the all call will be very happy, because we made it for their fun. They will have a lot of fun. Okay, so the water slide is ready, and as you can see, all the cars are in line. Now we will try it
Yeah,
one by
boy.
one. Let's go with this mini truck first. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Amazing! It's amazing. Okay, let's park it here. Now this blue car. Okay. Go. Wow! How amazing is it? Look at this. Okay, park it upside down. Okay, this bulldozer. You can see how he can slide. And wow! But it's okay. He had a lot of fun. Let's park it outside. Amazing. Good job. Okay, now this car. Okay. Wow, he was so quick.
Yeah, boy.
Amazing. Okay, you stay here, little buddy. Oh, and he has an animal, but he's trying to get backside? Oh no, but he did it very well. Amazing. And he came back. Oh, now he's trying it right. Okay, but it didn't work. Sorry. Oh no. It goes
Yeah,
very
boy.
crazy. Okay, you stay here. This blue excavator. We will see what he do. Let's go. And oh, amazing! What a fantastic slide was that! Okay, let's see what this truck do. It's a little hard for them to climb up, but it's okay. Wow, he's ready, eh? Oh no, he didn't go well, but it's okay. We
Yeah,
need
boy.
to fix that. Okay, let's do it. And here it goes. Oh no, I'm so sorry. But it's okay, he had a lot of fun. Let's go with this green truck. Let's see what he do. And he's ready. And amazing. Wow. Good job, green truck. And go, you do park there. Now let's see what
Yeah,
this
boy.
big bus do. Whoa, whoa, you go very wide. Let's try it. And amazing. And look at the water. Okay, you stay here. Now let's see what this red excavator do. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Let's park it also
Yeah, boy.
here. And let's have fun with this car. Look at this. Wow, amazing.